Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Jason, and in this video I'm going to be going over the 14th strategy that I've included in my guidebook that you can check out down below. The guidebook is a compilation of 25 of my favorite and most used strategies to optimize my workspace so that I can get full advantage of my focus and time. So without wasting any time, let's get into today's topic. If you can't delete it, block it. So this has to do with social media. A lot of our distractions that come from using these devices come from social media. And in my previous video, I've explained that the best way to get rid of these distractions in the first place is to just remove your phone from your workspace. That way it cannot be a distraction physically because it's not there anymore. But for those times that you need to use the social media apps to do stuff, for example, like talking to clients or messaging different people that you have to message through social media apps, I have a perfect solution for you, and I'm going to be talking about that today. When you're using social media, if you're like me, when I get on social media, I know I will be easily overwhelmed, and that is perfectly fine because social media is a very uncontrolled territory. And what I mean by that is you really don't have any control over what you're seeing, and as far as the content that is going to appear. Yes, you're going to see suggestions and people from the different pages that you've liked, but essentially the bottom line is that you don't have as much control as you'd like with social media as you do with your environment. So what do? There are things called blockers, and if you're using Google Chrome, this is going to work perfect for you. If you're not, I highly recommend you download Google Chrome, the web browser from Google, so that you can take full advantage of the blockers that I'm going to be talking about. Now, in Google Chrome, you can download what's called extensions, and you can download these blockers that I've actually included in the guidebook, the specific links for the specific apps that you might have to be using. But in the description down below, I will link the 2 of my most used blockers so that you can download it right away. And they're perfectly free, they're just extensions, so you just download it and it will be set, and you don't have to worry about facing content and being distracted from your goal and purpose of using these social media apps. So what it does is it's an active prevention method, so you don't have to worry about having to endure through something, because once you download this social media blocker, you're pretty much you're setting it, and it's going to automatically block it every time you get on social media. Technical tools, these are what you can just set and just forget about it, because they're there until you delete it for some reason. But and that's what's really beautiful about this, is that it will help you to navigate through social media without even being shown the stuff that you're used to on social media, so that you can get to your purpose and to your destination as soon as possible. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope this answers some of your concerns with not having your phone around, because like me, because for me, even I need to sometimes use social media to contact people, and I want to be able to take full advantage of it without being distracted. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you did, click the like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I will be releasing more videos for the next couple of strategies that I've included in the guidebook, which is found in the link down below. So go ahead and check that out first before you watch any of my videos. Hope to see you in the next one.